Hi, my name is Lana. I'm a mechanical design engineer here in Wilton at ASML. As a mechanical design engineer, I find the solutions to meet customer goals in a most effective and efficient way. I collaborate with an interdisciplinary team to solve challenges and come up with better ways to make things. Here we have a production floor on the first floor of the building and office space upstairs. So ASML really gives you that opportunity to see how our machines come together, as well as apply not only your analytical skills during the design work, but also to apply a hands-on experience, which gives you a very different perspective of your design, seeing it on the screen in the CAD software versus seeing it in real life downstairs. And it's not only mechanical design engineers, but you also have to work with the cross-sector. Our machines have a lot of sensors and it requires EDAV involvement and software involvement. So it's really about the teamwork and it's what makes it happen. Join us!